A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. This is verse number 69 from chapter number 39 Zumar. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa nufikha fis suri fasaika man fis samawati wa man fil ardi illa man sha'a Allah summa nufikha fihi ukhra fa izahum qiyamun yanzurun. Translation is, and the trumpet will be blown, and all who are in the heavens and all who are in the earth will fall down in a swoon, except those whom Allah will please to exempt. Then will it be blown a second time, and lo, they will be standing awaiting.
Zumar, my question is, in the commentary it is said that this verse may also apply to the spiritual condition of people immediately before the advent of a divine teacher.
He says that in the commentary it is written that this may apply to the spiritual condition of the people before the advent of a divine messenger.
But here, let's focus our attention to what will be happening on the day of resurrection. In commentary you may say many things, it's possible this and possible that, but it will be very difficult, in my opinion, to apply this verse to the world here. But attempt can be made. My interest is who was saved by the grace of Allah, was exempted from this. There is a point to focus. In my opinion, as against the opinion of many commentators, it was not Hazrat Moses, but Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam was exempted from this. Because in one hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, the first I saw rising would be Moses. So he was already awake, was already in full command of his senses, whatever his spiritual senses were, and he was seeing Moses came to life. So this is a compliment to the nearness of Hazrat Rasulullah sallam to God. Everybody else will soon accept Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.